Daddy's drunk and mama's yelling 'cause we ain't got no food. She says, how could you deprive your kids this way? Big brother's trying to cover up her ears 'cause he doesn't want her to hear drama. He's scared it'll give her trauma. We didn't choose this life, we're just trying to get by. But getting by is never enough. If there's a God in the sky, could you loan us some wings so we can stop by? So we can stop by. Or not your child. Or not your child.